Welcome back to the kitchen where we're joined by celebrity chef Lidia Bastianich and our veteran family in North Carolina at Ebony and Wardy's home. Ebony, it looks like you lost a couple of your kitchen helpers there. Everything okay?
Oh yes, I just have my little helper here. He's always helpful with me in the kitchen. The other two, they'll be back just to eat.
Lydia, how's Ebony doing so far?
I think she's doing fantastic. I specifically like her assistant, Jamari. Great to have him in the kitchen. Now, Ebony, the pasta's cooked, right? How's the sauce doing?
Oh, it's simmering nicely.
Okay, you're gonna use. I think you can use the other jar too. Why don't you put the other one in there too? That's it. And Jamari, while Mom is adding the marinara sauce, do you have basil right there in front of you? Yeah, okay, take it in your hand and just rip it in the sauce. Go ahead, Jamari, you can do it. That's the basil, that's it. Smell the basil. It has a very, isn't that great? We love it, us Italians love that. So just kind of break it up and throw it in the sauce. Mom is mixing. All right. Okay, Mom is all set? Everything is okay?
Yes.
Okay, so Jamari, in front of you, you have the baking pan. That's where we're going to put everything. But I would take one ladle or two of sauce and line the bottom of the pan with that. Can you do that? All right.
And spread it around.
That looks good. We're moving along. Now, Ebony, I would put in the sauce, take the ricotta and dump it in the sauce. You're at home, that's how we cook at home. That's it. So now you can take the cooked pasta, I see you have it draining right next to you, and put it in the baking dish. Just pour it in the baking dish, the cooked pasta. It's cooked and drained. So, Jamari, it's your job to mix the pasta until it gets all coated with the sauce. Mom can help too. Ebony, you can add a handful of grated cheese, grana cheese, to the pasta. You know, be generous. I like my cheeses, and kids like cheeses. And slowly add also a ladle of sauce to the pasta. And Jamari, you keep on mixing. Don't stop. You keep on mixing. Ebony, add the sauce to the pasta. That's it. Add some more. At the end, you're going to have to add just about all of it. You leave about 2 ladles in the back so that we can put it on top. And as he's mixing, you add the shredded cheese, which is the shredded provola, and the shredded grana. You add that. And you have a little bit of the mozzarella there too?
Yes.
Okay, so as he's mixing, you add a little bit of all those cheeses so it kind of spreads around the pasta. Always leaving about 1/4 of each to top the baked pasta so it has that nice crust that we all love. All right. So Jamari, what's your favorite food, Jamari?
Spaghetti and pasta.
There you go. So pasta, this is your favorite food. So Jamari, Ebony, it looks like you're ready to put the pasta in the oven. The oven is hot, right? You put it in and you leave it in there for about half an hour, depending on your oven. But Jamari, you are in charge of minding that pasta. Go and check once in a while, and when the top is nice and crispy and crunchy the way you like it, you call Mom and you guys get it out of there. You're responsible for the crunchiness and the color of the pasta. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Ebony and Jamari, great job. We're a good team.
Thanks, guys. We'll check back in with our all-star cooking team at the end of the show to see what comes out of the oven. And Ebony, that's going to give you time to call the boys back in because it's going to be time to eat.